Time now 11:40, and patients with an aggressive form of melanoma have faced grim prospects. The American Cancer Society says the 5-year survival rate is only 15%, but that started changing when the FDA approved a new drug in 2014. Now researchers at UCLA hope that adding a second drug could lead to even greater success.
When John Gilligan was diagnosed with metastatic melanoma, he, his wife, Carol Baker, and his doctors chose the SD-101 clinical trial as a first-line treatment.
The numbers for survival for metastatic melanoma up until very recently have not been very good, so trying something experimental seemed like a good idea.
The trial combines the immunotherapy drug Keytruda with injections of SD-101 into tumors. SD-101 is a bacteria-like agent that changes the microenvironment, so the immune system kills cancer cells more effectively. Oncologist Deborah Wong says it's like a flare to get the process going.
Not only does this combination work to shrink the tumor that we're injecting, but on scans, the tumors apart, far away from the ones that we're injecting, also shrink. 9
study participants got immunotherapy for the first time. 7 of them had good responses, including 2 whose tumors disappeared. That's a 78% response rate, nearly twice as good as Keytruda alone. The other 13 had immunotherapy before and had modest or no response. After 6 months, John's tumors disappeared. He now just gets Keytruda with few side effects.
I've managed to keep working and keep working out and being active, and all of those things help keep you optimistic.
Optimistic enough to start planning a family trip to Paris once he retires next year.
The combination of therapy does have some side effects, including flu-like symptoms and injection site irritation. But we learned those side effects went away after introducing the new drug. But this trial was just small, about 22 participants so far.